Are you reaming Kyle's hole?
I am. And?
Oh, and you blew it. Jesus, that's extra usually.
It is normally.
So, what's the haps? You're almost there.
The happenstance is, see what happened.
There we go. So I've got, here Scotty, while you're doing that, I've got our fuse holder for our fan mounted to our fan controller because we have no room.
Yes, Kyle. I'm screwing you slowly,
and
I'm going to go as deep as I possibly can.
Oh my God. Anyway, so Scotty's on, Jesus Christ. Scotty's on that. We actually had these stainless pieces. They were left over because see how they go with this? They were actually left over from the bracketry for the old radiator.
It's in.
Jesus, Scotty, don't get so excited. Wow, you derailed my train of thought completely. Thanks. I have no clue what the fuck I was talking about.
We were talking about
now.
the stainless steel pieces. You're floating from the original one that was on here because we were going to use these to mount them to there.
Yeah, exactly what this clown said.
You forget, I was a busy beaver.
You don't like beaver though. Anyway.
Well, I do have children, so I mean, I did like it at one point.
Yeah, taste change.
True. But I'm bump.
Now you like chorizo.
Ooh.
Anyway. Oh God. So, like we were
What's
talking.
that white cheese?
From under?
No. Spanish.
Queso?
Yeah, I like queso a lot better.
You should do queso fresco. That stuff's really good.
Well, Kyle, your screw's in place. So one of us will put it in the hole. Just let us know if it's exactly what you've always wanted.
And I want to finish the wiring. Scotty's on this. We got to get that figured out. Which...
Surprisingly enough...
Oh, it's solid.
Oh, dude, I mean, it's...
Yeah,
I'm moving the truck. So, I mean, everything we've done so far is good.
We still need to put something there.
Yeah. Well, the only issue is the air conditioning is literally on the opposite side of that spot.
Oh, we know.
And it is flush up against the wall.
Question for our puke tank. Because it's a little tight over here.
Mm-hmm.
What if we put it over there? Because there's more room. And we just route our hose.
Well, let's see. Because I still have to take all of this stuff out. And
pull
yeah,
out.
I still got to do all of that. Pull out?
Yeah.
What?
I don't know how to do that.
What is that?
I don't know. Something lame people do.
Yeah.
Anyway. So yeah, you're on that. I'm going to carry on with the wiring in a place where this will not get murdered by the up-down, which we already figured out. We're going to put it down there.
Yep.
We already got our bolt. That's what you were just doing.
Yep.
So I just need to wire things up. And then, as they say, boys and girls, away
we go.